ABC Educational Channel.
Hello, kids. Welcome back to our English learning time. Today, we'll learn something very useful: countable and uncountable nouns. Do you know what that means? Let's find out together. What are nouns? First, remember, nouns are names of people, animals, places, or things. Now, some nouns we can count, and some we cannot. Let's learn the difference. Countable nouns are things we can count using numbers. We can say 1, 2, 3, and so on. They have singular and plural forms. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples, 1 chair, 3 chairs. We can use a or and with countable nouns. Examples of countable nouns: an apple, a book, a pencil, a cat, a dog, a car, a banana, a chair. A toy. Examples of countable nouns: a flower, see? We can count them. 1, 2, 3. Easy, right? Uncountable nouns. Now, let's look at uncountable nouns. These are things we cannot count. They don't have plural forms. We don't say a or and before them. They are often liquids, materials, or things that come in mass or groups. Examples of uncountable nouns: water, milk, rice, sugar, bread, cheese, juice, sand, air, music, we can't count 1 water or 2 milks. Instead, we say a glass of water or a bottle of milk. Isn't that interesting? Let's review. Let's check what we've learned today. Countable nouns are things we can count. Example, a cat, 2 cats. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count. Example, some water, some rice. We use words like some, a lot of, or much for uncountable nouns. And we use a, an, many, or a few. Great job, super learners! Now you know the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Keep practicing, look around your home or classroom and name things you can and can't count. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning fun. See you next time, kids. Waving hand bye-bye.